Alright, this is a late 60s, early 70s Sears Kenmore 14-inch box fan, model 758.80872. I got this from a flea market for $5. It was so cheap because it doesn't have a back grill. Overall, it's pretty much in mint condition other than not having the back grill. There's absolutely no rust in this fan anywhere, no sign of any starting. It's 100% original, it runs like brand new, the bearings are perfectly tight and everything's great. Front grill's got all its paint and everything. I just don't have the back grill at all. So I'm gonna have to see if I can mock something up for a back grill for it. Maybe I can just remove these little clips where the back grill would have originally went, so I just got like 4 screw holes there and kinda screw on like a piece of chicken wire mesh or something over that to keep the fan somewhat safer than just being wide open on the back. It was obviously made by Vernco, as I showed on the motor sticker. Well, you can tell by the looks of it that it was made by Vernco. I might be getting a newer version of this, one of the kind of greenish yellow colored ones with the kind of loopy Sears logo on the front grille. I might be getting one of them too, but I'm not sure when I'll be getting that one. I might be getting it along with a mint condition Edison 20-inch boxer and a mint condition Eskimo 20-inch boxer with metal blades. So they're all in an old lady's house and she might be moving out soon, and if she does, I get all the fans. So that'll be nice if that works out. But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy and look for a video of this fan when I got everything all fixed on it.